The AI poster generator just hit the market and it's already causing quite a stir. If you're looking to create stunning custom designed posters with ease, this could be your new best friend. Stick around as I walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. First things first, AI Poster Generator is a game changer for anyone in need of high quality, eye-catching designs. Whether you're running a business, promoting an event, or just want a creative outlet, this tool streamlines the design process with artificial intelligence. The best part? You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive into what makes this software stand out. First up, the simplicity of use. AI Poster Generator was built with ease of use in mind. You don't need to be a professional designer to create impressive posters. With just a few clicks, you're ready to generate posters tailored to your needs. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on the message, not the design. One of the standout features is the variety of customizable templates. When you first start, you'll find a library of pre-built templates, but the real power comes when you customize them. The software allows you to adjust fonts, images, colors, and layouts effortlessly. You can create something that looks like a custom design, even if you've never worked in a design tool before. Another key benefit is the speed. If you need a poster in minutes, AI Poster Generator delivers. The process is super fast, so whether you're preparing for a last-minute event or need to create a series of posters for a marketing campaign, the time-saving aspect of this software is invaluable. What about scalability? This software isn't just for single projects. If you're a business or a marketer, you'll appreciate the ability to create multiple versions of posters quickly and easily. Whether you need variations in colors or messaging for A/B testing, this tool can handle it all. In terms of quality, the results are impressive. AI Poster Generator uses advanced algorithms that ensure your designs not only look professional, but are also high resolution and ready for print or digital distribution. This is crucial for anyone serious about marketing or branding. Next up, the pricing. You can get started completely free, which makes it a low-risk tool to try out. And while the paid plans unlock even more features, the free version offers plenty to get you started. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer on a budget, this software offers significant value at any price point. One thing I love about this tool is its integration capabilities. It works well with various platforms, from social media to print services, making it easy to get your designs out into the world. Whether you're posting on Instagram, printing flyers, or creating ads, you'll find that exporting and sharing your creations is simple. Finally, the constant updates. As this software is new, the team is continually improving its features based on user feedback. This ensures that even if there are minor bugs or limitations now, they're being addressed. The potential of this software is huge, and it's only going to get better with time. So if you're looking for a way to create professional, customizable posters without the need for design experience, AI Poster Generator might just be the tool you've been waiting for. I've personally tried thousands of AI tools, and this one definitely makes my recommended list. You can find all the details and my top AI software picks in the description below. Give AI Poster Generator a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments.